Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video today. I'm pretty excited. I just got a box of Prestige just got delivered. I ordered it last Monday. Filming this on Monday, it'll probably come out Tuesday. Maybe later today though, but yeah. So 140 for this. Premium cards. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Get the knife to open it. Or if we open it from the side here. So, yep, there we go. I'm gonna cut this out, guys. Yep, so it's out now. Now just take that. Yep, there we go. So now the moment of truth. Doesn't even want to come out. God's sake, why doesn't it want to? Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Pop this out. Put this in like that. There we go. So 24 packets of these. Let's just put that back here. First pack. These feel like, yeah, they're like feel glossy and all that. Let's go through the ratios first. So yeah, zebra die cuts, 1 per 3 packs. Red parallel, 1 per 6. AFL milestone games, 1 per 12. Green parallel, 1 per 18. Engine rooms, 1 per 24. Brownlow vote getters, 1 per 48 packs. Platinum Brownlow predictor, 1 per 96. And showstoppers, 1 per 288. So that's a case. So let's just get straight to it. Oh, great way to open the first pack. Doesn't even want to come out. Let's see. So, yeah, like I'll read the comments out on this first pack. Dane Rampy, Jack Gunston, Zach Butters. Oh, straight off the bat, the engine room. We got the engine room straight off the bat. That looks so good. Number 72 of 120. Oh, that engine room card looks so good. Let's put that over there. Oh, and we got the checklist card. First pack as well. Yes, so yeah, they're all like, yeah, foil. All the cards have like foil on them. So, second pack. So, yeah, already got a box hit first pack. Well, the engine rooms are around the top as well. This one we got a, put the comments over there, we got a Dylan Shield Zebra. These ones aren't numbered, but every other card is numbered. So I'll put the commons next to the box, just so you can look at them, because yeah, they're definitely they're definitely better to look at than obviously the normal set. Expect to get a couple packs with nothing in them, and I think this is one of those packs. Yep, cards are stuck together as well. So third pack already packed with nothing in it. Open it this way, because this seems to be the way where, okay, well I can't. Didn't matter anyway. Let's see. So now we've got Reece Stanley Zebra. Won't look at those for too long, because most common card in the set. Oh yeah, they're definitely good looking cards, but yeah, we won't spend too much time on those. We'll spend a bit more time on the numbered ones. Probably a bit more time opening the packs as well. I see we've got our green. Yep, there we go. Christian Petrarca, number 30 of 60. That's a good hit as well. Let's move that over there. Put the other box card right there. All the commons there. So already 2 box hits from I'm not too sure how many packs that was actually, so that was from 5 packs. Oh. Don't make it easy to open these. And we have got, oh, I thought we had nothing there, but we've got a Jack Viney Zebra. Almost halfway through already. There we go. And nothing there. So, what about this one? These packs, some of these packs are really sticky. I don't think there is anything in this pack though, but just make sure. Yeah, there wasn't though. Next pack. So I think that was our third or fourth pack with nothing in it. Oh, there we go. That's a good hit. Dan Hanbury, red. Red parallel, that's what they're called. Number 128 of 170. Dan Hanbury, great to get a St Kilda one. The common cards are really sticky. Put Dan Hanbury next to that one. So next pack, oh yeah. Can't even open that one from that side now. Gonna have to go from this side. Jesus. There we go, finally. Merry Christmas. See, it's already a Zebra. So Richmond one it looks like. I don't know, it's Hawthorn one, James Warple. So yeah, the James Warple Zebra there. Come on. See, and our first milestone game. I'm going to get another one of these in the box. We got Chris Mayne. Put the comments there. Number 21. Yeah, what number is Chris Mayne? He'd be around that sort of number, wouldn't he? Yeah, I'm not too sure. I reckon he might. Yeah, I'm not too sure what number Chris Mayne is. It was 21, right? Yeah. Well, after the video, I'll have to check that out. So, next pack, if we can get it out. There we go. So, looks like nada in that one. Yep, nothing there. Sticky common cards again. And we're halfway through the box now. This pack has seen better days. Better not be the pack with like a Brownlow vote getters or Brownlow predictor or something. Hopefully I actually get one of those cards and it's not just one with Luke Ryan Zebra. Yeah, it's not just a pack, it's not just a box with just the plain ones really. Hopefully yeah, because I should have got it Friday. Hopefully waiting I'll get something good in return. We got bang Patrick Dangerfield, that's a good one. Number 124. Yeah, that's great hit there. Good one to get there. Let's see. And we got Peter Wright, Zebra. He also forgot to mention that, yeah. You've obviously noticed that I'm filming in a different way now. With Gorilla Pod. There we go. We finally got it open. Come on. There we go. Oh, God. And nada in that pack. Yeah, commons are stacking up quite nicely there. That one was a bit easy to open. You can see all the rubbish there. And here's our second milestone game. Last one that we'll get. Elliot Yeo, number 27. So another relatively low number there. Let's make a new stack for our commons. That one's probably going to fall over soon if we put any more there. There we go. So we're coming on to our last few sort of, last few packs here. Nothing in that pack. I'm pretty sure if you don't get I'm pretty sure if you don't end up getting a Brownlow vote getters or something, you get 2 of those. But I don't want 2 of those. I want to, and I can see that we've got our third red. See, it is Ben McAvoy, number 94 of 170. Our 4th last pack here. Yeah, come on, let's get something good. Oh, I can see this one's a zebra. Oh, over there. And we've got Lockie Whitfield. So, 3rd last pack. Didn't even realise that. Got knocked over. Come on, let's get something good. And nothing. Nothing in that pack. Oh no, 3 more packs to go still. Let's see. And Bailey Smith, zebra. So now 2nd last pack. Come on. Looks like another zebra there, so I don't think we're going to get anything good. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Patrick Cripps, Gold Showstopper. Oh my god! Oh my god! Number 1! Number 1! Number 1! No way! Number 1, Patrick Cripps. Oh my god! We've done it again. We've got in another Showstoppers. Oh my god! If you were watching my normal select video, you would have seen that I got a Jai Simpkin one, and now I've just gotten Patrick Cripps. Oh my god! This is oh my god! I cannot believe it. Number 1. Oh, 1. Oh my god, oh, you've done it again, Select. How do you do this? You give me this wonderful luck. Oh my god. How have we hit that from 1 box? I told you. Oh, I was waiting. I was saying that it better have been worth it. And don't worry. Don't worry, that's not damage there. That's just the plastic film. If it's like that, I'll probably just take it off. So yeah. God, I cannot believe that. God, any Carlton fans watching, you're gonna be jealous. Number 1. And we got our last red parallel of Tom Lynch, 169. Oh my god. I can't believe I've done that. That is insane. On that note, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.